hinges, the bolts I guess gave out, and I would really hate to replace this bad boy. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna fill this in and got new screws and put that back in here, and hopefully that thing will work. So let me show you what I got. Here's the setup that I'm gonna have. Got me a saw. I bought those wood fillers just in case. I bought me this one right here. It's like $1 or something. 5/16, 3/8 I mean. And then here's this one right here, 5/16, which should be enough to fit this bad boy right in here. Got some clamps, glue, and here's our screws. And of course, you can't go wrong with paper towel. Let's see what happens. Alright, as you can see, put in the woods. Right here, this one had 2, so I might as well fill that one up. There it is. I think we are ready to put the new screws in there. Alright, well, there you go. Just like new, baby. Let's try this out. Alright, looks good. Let's see how long this is gonna last. Stay tuned.